Hello and welcome to my new channel, Detailing Kings. If you love cars, you know the outside is very important and that is how it looks when it's clean. On this channel I'm going to be showing so many different techniques on how to clean your car from the inside to the out, to the wheels, to even the door shuts. Every video will be different, showing you different ways on how to clean a different part of the car. Budget ways, more expensive ways, pressure washers, what products to buy, what products not to buy, and I even will be showing you my day-to-day life in my own car valeting business. I'll also be showing you cheap methods on how to make your car look newer with an older car. My personal car is a Mini Cooper from 2005, so it's a great car to actually show you how to make something that's old look brand new. So before we get into the first video, please subscribe if you are interested in these things, and if you enjoy this video, please hit that like button. As this is my first video, I'm gonna do a short mini series on how to valet a car from head to toe, and basically how to valet it, how to wash it, how to basically strip it from the inside out to make it look like a showroom car. If you think it's more than just getting some soapy suds in a bucket and washing it and then putting some old-fashioned polish on, well, you're wrong. It takes a lot more than just that. This series is going to be a step-by-step guide on how to prepare, how to wash, how to finish a car off, and today it's going to be the wheels. The wheels are going to be the first step in washing your car because they are the most dirtiest. So we have to start at the wheels. So let's go outside and show you what we've got to deal with today. So as you can see, this is my Mini Cooper S. Them wheels are filthy. That is brake dust, but after today you will not see one bit of dirt on them alloys. So the checklist for cleaning the wheels is as follows. First of all, you will need a bucket with some water. You also need some good quality products. I'm using Yum Cars, which I'll explain throughout the video. You also need a scrubbing brush for the tyre walls, the detailing brush just to get in the nooks and crannies like the bolts and the tight areas at the front of the alloys, depending on what alloys you've got. You also need a good selection of different sorts of brushes, long headed ones to get at the back of the alloys and soft ones and bit more harder ones for stubborn dirt. You'll also need a power washer with a foam gun, and that is pretty much it. This is the first step of actually cleaning the car. I always say go and clean the wheels first because they are the dirtiest part of the car. What you want to do is just have pre-wash first. So to clean the wheels, I'm going to be using Yum's wheels and a citrus spray for the actual tyre walls because it's basically a degreaser. You want to get as much dirt and grime off the actual wheels and the tyres for the dressing afterwards. But I'm going to put these on, then leave it a few minutes to do its magic. So you're probably wondering why I've actually put some foam on the actual wheels and tyres as well. It's just another extra bonus, I would say, to deep clean them wheels, you know, to the places you can't get to with the spray. It's just an added extra bonus, I would say, to protect them wheels, get them wheels actually more cleaner. Obviously I'm going to leave it now for about 5 minutes and then start scrubbing it while it's actually activating, getting in all the nooks and crannies with the brushes, and then finally jet wash it to get it all clean. First I'm going to be cleaning the actual wheel itself, get as much grime off as possible. Using a simple scrubbing brush, it does the job. I've also got a bucket with a bit of car wash in it, because just to give it a bit more fighting chance to get rid of dirt off. Wheel arches itself, I have actually sprayed it with the foam. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean them while I'm here, just to get them out of the way. Now I'm going to go in the finer details with the actual, where the nuts are and that, with a detailing brush. You can get them from anywhere, and it's just to get into the places that you can't actually get into. Anywhere that's a bit of a tight squeeze, the calipers, anything like that. As you can see, the formula is turned the actual liquid purple, so you know it's working. Obviously different alloys are going to be easier than others. Some are going to take a lot longer to clean because of the multi-spokes. You know, you can do exactly the same as well on coloured alloys, but these have been refurbed, so they are pretty clean anyway. But what you want to do is you want to get in every nook and cranny. Now I'm going to use the actual mop to get right to the back. You need to get one of these if you want to get and clean the whole of the alloy. As you can see, it's got a bit of a bend in it as well, because you can get behind the alloy, which a lot of people do forget. Obviously, depending on your alloys and how old they are and how clean they are, you might not be able to get some of the stains off. But like I said, if you're looking after your alloys from new, you should have no problems about cleaning them. Different sorts of alloys where they're a bit more tighter, these are brilliant. You can bend them in different ways. I use these for more stubborn dirt, stuff that you might not even get to, or it looks like it's been on there for a while. I go around, I've just done my dad's car, and on his alloys it has a tighter gap, so you can't get into everything with the tools I've used. So this actually helped a lot. And you can get these from Poundland, B&M, places like that for £5 for a set of different sorts, so they're well worth getting. You can't get into the nuts and bolts, but you can get into most places, and obviously you can bend it so you can go behind the alloys, just in case you've got some stubborn dirt. There you go, that is how to actually clean a wheel and tyre like a pro, like a valeter. It's pretty simple. I like to say it's pretty simple. Depending on the alloys, it's easier for my alloys because they've been refurbed. If you've got a new car, they're quite easy to clean. But just remember, you cannot get every single stain off if they are old. You know, you might have to get them refurbed. But if you keep on looking after them, they should stay looking nice and shiny. Obviously, I haven't dressed them or nothing like that. That'll be in another video. So join me again with the next video on showing you how to pre-wash your car ready for the main wash.